but these things go quickly. So when I saw them in store, I wanted to make sure that I grabbed them before they sold out. All of this stuff is from TJ Maxx except for the few items you see in the back, but we'll get to those in a second. I was so excited when I first walked in just to see bunnies because my kids just loved that so much when I borrowed my uncle's decor from last year. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll link it down below. It was so much fun. But I wanted to make sure I incorporated some bunnies into my decor this year, but I started out with these lifelike tulips. So beautiful, and I loved the vase that they were in. I also saw this bunny made of dried flowers. I thought this was just absolutely beautiful. And then I grabbed a few little figurines because I figured I could place it throughout the house. Those were such a great price. Those were only $7.99 each. Then I found these arrangements. These are what actually really got me in the mood for Easter, and I was like, wow, those are so beautiful. And they were only $12.99 each. So then when I saw those, I had to grab these eggs, which is from a different brand because those are Martha Stewart, but I thought they looked so beautiful together, all with the pastel and the silver speckles. And then you guys know we love to do our baking, so I just grabbed some more utensils that would be perfect for Easter. And then next I grabbed just a couple things for the kitchen, not too many because I actually didn't put a ton of stuff on my counters last spring and I really enjoyed that. Just, you know, fresh and clean and a little bit minimal, or at least minimal for me. But I wanted to grab a new mug and I loved this one. This was $6.99 and they actually had a yellow one. They had a ton of these, like so many. I'm always so amazed at how much just Rae Dunn that they have at TJ Maxx. It's crazy. I never find that much anywhere else. And I really loved this canister. So I'm going to put like all of my spatulas and that kind of stuff in it, but I put it out next to my chargers that we got last year just to show you how it's like the robin's egg. So cute. And then this I'll probably put like when I'm baking or cooking, you know, my utensils down. I thought this was a great deal. This was 4 towels for $8, all the different pastel spring colors. And then I'm not sure if I'm going to decorate this glass table. I haven't decided. Last year I wanted to decorate it. It just didn't look right to me. So I ended up doing my dining room. But we'll see if I can make it look right this year. But I found these like placemats underneath just like one of the shelves at TJ Maxx. And it was the only pack. So I grabbed this because I thought, how cute is that to tie in the Easter with the carrots and then my little Easter plates and robin egg chargers with these bright, beautiful napkins. So I love that all together. And then my mom was so sweet and she gifted me these candles, which smell incredible, but I just love that they were the pastel colors, so it matched all of the decor. I was at Aldi grocery shopping and they just had some amazing Aldi finds this week, so I wanted to share what I grabbed. You guys know I love my like wooden cutting boards and anything that I can use to kind of prop things up. This is a serving tray, but I might use this either with the spring decor or I might put my espresso machine on it. So I haven't decided, but I loved just the color of this. It's that dark espresso color. I thought it was so beautiful, and this one was only $11.99. Then I needed a new tea kettle because mine had a big chip on it and it was starting to rust. So I grabbed this Crofton tea kettle because it matches my spring pot that I leave out all of spring and summer. So cute. You guys will see that in a second. And then I'd been dying for some wine glasses like this, but they were just so overpriced. I was like, there's no way I'm spending that on 4 wine glasses. So these were $12.99. So as soon as I saw them, I had to grab them. So not really spring, but definitely fun. And if you're shopping at Aldi and you guys see these, I know this video will be out on Sunday, but I figured if you guys run to your Aldi, they still might have a few left over. Today's video is in collaboration with my sweet friend Lauren Yarbrough. We have partnered up to bring you all the spring motivation. She is doing a ton of spring cleaning and organizing. She's honestly reminding me of all the spaces I need to tackle this spring. I'm loving the bins that she chose for her closet. They are so pretty and functional. After watching her video, you're going to want to tackle your spring cleaning list too, because she's so good at giving you that extra motivation. Be sure to click the link in my description box. You guys are probably already following her because she's truly amazing, but if you aren't, make sure you let her know that Ashlei sent you. And if you are here from Lauren's channel, welcome. I'm so excited you stopped by. My name is Ashlei and I love making videos about decorating, cleaning, cooking, and all things homemaking. So if that's what you're into, I would love to have you stick around and subscribe.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly don't want to be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah.
I don't know if it's because I'm from the Midwest or what. Like, honestly, we have not had a bad winter at all, but I'm just so ready for spring, and it's so exciting because the sun is starting to come up, earlier, and the days are getting longer, and I just honestly cannot wait until the weather breaks and we can just be outside all the time. So even though I'm starting my spring decorating series early, I am also going to be starting my spring cleaning series, which will be next Monday. I'm so excited to share that with you guys, but I was already seeing decor in the stores, so I had to pick it up. But if you are interested in more cleaning, that motivation will be out on the 7th.
If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new.
I loved my tiered tray from last year so much that I basically did something very similar. The only difference here really are the conversation hearts, which I know are very Valentine's, but it honestly matched all of the other pastels, so I just thought it was so cute. And I don't like the taste of conversation hearts. We don't actually eat them. I just use them for decor, so I thought they would be super cute to incorporate on the tiered tray. So I ended up using this wooden block from Aldi right here on the kitchen island instead of under my espresso machine, and I love it. This bunny, I love it so much, but it is so fragile because it is made of the dried flowers like I was mentioning in the haul. So I'm already thinking about how I'm going to store this once I'm done using it for spring. So if you have any suggestions on how I can keep all of the dried florals intact and keep it stored away, let me know in the comments down below.
Dreamy, breezy we go, easy
This night I just wanted to make something really special for the whole family, so I did decide to set this table, and I'm really loving the way that it turned out. We just had a really nice dinner. Everything was really cozy with all of the candles, and it was just such a perfect night to just decompress and relax and really bond.
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh.
After a whole day of cleaning and decorating, I wanted to make something really simple and comforting for dinner, so I chose chicken broccoli Alfredo. It's just a recipe that I know the entire family enjoys, and I can have dinner on the table in less than an hour.
Agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no.
When there is about 3 minutes left on my timer for my noodles, I like to add in the broccoli. This just saves me a little bit of time and gives me less dishes to clean up at the end of the night.
Undercover, agents of the other, beyond gravel.
I love making my own Alfredo sauce. It's truly simple, just a few ingredients, and makes a world of difference. It tastes better than any of the ones that I have purchased in the store, so I will link the recipe to this sauce down below.
Undercover, agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
I didn't realize I was out of garlic until I already started making my sauce, so I ended up having to use garlic powder, but it honestly was still really good. And I do recommend, though, if you have real garlic, definitely add that in when you are cooking your butter. But either way, they turn out really good. Now we are just mixing everything together and we're going to get it plated.
We don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, like with no distraction.
And that is it, guys. Part 1 of my spring clean and decorate. Don't forget to check out Lauren's video. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow.